Welcome to our video on exploratory data analysis with the Palmer Penguins Dataset. Today, we'll walk through the key steps and techniques for performing EDA using this fascinating dataset. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the outline of our presentation. We'll begin with an introduction to the Palmer Penguins Dataset. Then, we'll cover the steps for exploratory data analysis, including understanding and summarizing data, identifying relationships between features, describing data distributions, and handling outliers and missing values. Finally, we'll wrap up with a summary of what we've learned. The Palmer Penguins dataset contains measurements from 344 penguins of 3 species: Adelie, Chinstrap, and Gentoo. Features include physical measurements such as bill length, flipper length, and body mass, as well as the sex and island of each penguin. This dataset helps researchers study relationships between penguin traits and monitor population changes over time. To follow along, download the dataset from the provided link. Step 1. Understand the data by summarizing its size, features, and types. Step 2. Explore relationships between features using visualizations. Step 3. Describe the shape of data distributions to identify patterns. Step 4. Detect and address outliers and missing values. Key statistics include the number of instances at 344. Features include species, island, bill length in millimeters, bill depth in millimeters, flipper length in millimeters, body mass in grams, and sex. In the example Python code, we load and summarize the dataset. Use scatterplots to visualize pairwise relationships between numerical features. For example, the relationship between bill length in millimeters and body mass in grams. Analyze the shape of distributions that can be either symmetric, skewed, or multimodal. Histograms and density plots help identify patterns. In this example Python code, we plot the histogram and density plots. We can detect outliers using Tukey's fences or z-scores. We can detect missing values using Pandas' isNull function. These instances can be addressed by imputation or removing affected rows. Exploratory data analysis helps uncover insights and prepare data for modeling. Key steps include understanding data, exploring relationships, analyzing distributions, and handling outliers or missing values. Python libraries such as Pandas and Seaborn provide powerful tools for EDA. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.